अगर मन परेशान एंड उदास दोनों है, लाइफ एंड दुनिया के इश्यूज एंड ट्रबल्स के बारे में कंपल्सिवली सोच कर, तो दोस्त समझ के ये मूवी रिकमेंडेशन ले लो। 2 घंटे के लिए सब बेरेबल लगने लगेगा। खाली पेट मत देखना बस ये फिल्म। Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, जहाँ रिव्यूज हैं, इंटरव्यूज हैं, and maybe soon a Christopher Nolan deep dive also. सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लो, जब वीडियो आएगा तो मिस नहीं होना चाहिए। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं पीयूष गुप्ता की मूवी तरला की, स्टारिंग हुमा कुरैशी, शारब हाशमी, now streaming on ZEE5। यही तो है जिंदगी। हम में से कई हैं ऐसे 35 एंड ओवर अराउंड दैट एज हु विल रिमेंबर वाचिंग तरला दलाल्स शो ऑन सोनी टीवी, जहां ओकेजनली वन ऑफ द बैंड ऑफ बॉयज का बॉयज प्लेड सू शेफ, मोस्टली मार्वलिंग एट हर हाथ का जादू। शी वाज द टीवी पर्सनालिटी, द कुकिंग स्टार बिफोर मास्टर शेफ्स इन्वेडेड आवर होम्स, टेलिंग आवर मदर्स कि पास्ता और मैक्रोनी में केचप डाल के कुक करना इज perfectly acceptable as long as you do it with a smile, with joy in your heart. So then to imagine her as a 20-something in the 50s, Pune, cooking in her kitchen as ladke wale judge her delicacies adds a whole different perspective, doesn't it? Now I suspect the movie takes a decent number of creative liberties, furnishing the more specific details of Tarla's life. For example, a lot of writing on her clearly states कि उनकी किताब जब publisher ने सबसे पहले जिसने छापी थी, she remained lifelong friends with them. Here, to add drama in this film, we are told that after a publisher rejects her recipes, saying women already know how to cook, who will read this book, Tarla's out-of-work husband decided to self-publish and find in genuine modes of distribution, one of them being Neighborhood Raddiwala Network. However, none of these embellishments take away from the heart of Tarla's story. A housewife in the 60s, after having 3 children, decides to take over the world one afternoon at a time.
लाइफ में कुछ करना है। हाँ, अभी क्या करना है वो अभी मालूम नहीं है, but कुछ तो करना है।
Huma Qureshi doesn't get appreciated or celebrated quite enough, I think. From Monica to Tarla, recently only, her range expands and changes with each outing in the most impressive ways. Despite the uncomfortable-looking dentures, yahan Huma, simply put, delightfully embodies this lady who had a huge treasure trove of talent, unsure where to go with it. Every time she toils over a flame, innovating like a scientist would, you can sense the thrill running through her body. In strained moments of suffering, she reminds us of the actor who burst onto our screens in the most self-assured way with Gangs of Wasseypur. There are no cheap tricks here. There are no shortcuts. Like the woman she is impersonating, Huma Qureshi is undeniably deserving of the space she already occupies in conversations. She's asking for more with each passing performance. जब मेल एक्टर्स की इतनी रेंज होती है तो उनको हम पेडेस्टल पर चढ़ाने में 2 मिनट नहीं लगाते। हुमा के रीसेंट काम पर अगर गौर करें, even including the well-intentioned misfire XXL, one can safely say the actor is very much capable of playing the roles Vidya Balan now crushes once each year, who incidentally also has a release today.
ये खाके तेरे को लूज मोशन ना हुए ना, मारो नाम पर तरला शाना थी।
Sharab Hashmi as Tarla's husband Nalin Dalal is the character I think writer-director Piyush Gupta seems to have worked the most minutely on. Tarla to thi hi superstar, but through the pati who enabled her, Piyush Gupta and co-writer Gautam Ved are making the movie's actual statement, similar kind of to last week's Satya Prem Ki Katha, that to be a true ally in the fight for women empowerment, men need to stand up to men. Sharab, as usual, is just freaking fantastic. Nalin is unassuming, and you're even led to believe how lucky Tarla is to find a man like him. Until gradually, the movie deliberately unravels the entitlement of being a male feminist. In a scene, Nalin applies for an engineering job. After almost getting rejected, the job gets offered to him once the CEO realizes that Nalin is married to the Tarla, and that he's heard how supportive the Dalal in Tarla Dalal, that is the husband, has been of her journey. Patriarchy isn't just standing in our way, it actively harms men, and until the very institution is uprooted, no gender may find peace or true success. Tarla the movie may be faulted for being slightly too simplistic, on the nose. We know the celebrity chef had a long, fulfilling, award-winning career, and we are anticipating to arrive at that juncture.
मैंने क्या किया ना, मुर्ग मुसलम को लिया, मुर्ग को हटा दिया, मुसलम रख ली, तो बटाटा मुसलम।
बीच में conflict missing थोड़ा है, and all is lost moment does arrive pre-climax, but it is also resolved without much actual loss at the expense of the protagonist. लेकिन perhaps for a movie of this nature about a woman like Tarla, the biggest hurdle in her way is life's daily microaggressions. The all men building cooperative society that won't let her cooking classes run at home क्योंकि दोपहर का nap disturb होता है, या the young child who refuses to eat महाराज के हाथ का खाना as Tarla goes to work. Again, not a whole lot is publicly known about her personal life. She did live comfortably on Nepean Sea, an affluent South Mumbai neighborhood. तो rags to riches story नहीं है. Her husband didn't vie for the same successes as her, तो अभिमान वाला conflict नहीं है. No one swindled her out of money. She had an easy, privileged life, and yet you see her struggle. Her chosen form of craft designated specifically for her gender, and yet that very gender coming in her way. सालों के थॉमस का कैमरा भारी सुंदर तरीकों से तरला के घर को कभी खुला आसमान तो कभी जेल बना देता है. We see her walk from room to room, framed in various doorways, keeping her boxed in, but also building up to the final TV frame she will end up occupying. The cinematography contributes greatly towards the sweet, approachable tone of the film. Do watch this weekend with mom and definitely dad.
Welcome to home Tarla cooking class.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Tarla is 5 to 6 scenes Bharati Achrekar has as neighborhood auntie, and it is such genius casting because immediately it takes you back to the time when Tarla Dalal was actually on TV with her show and Bharati Achrekar was in everything on TV as well. It's just perfect mood setting. मेरा चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. जाने से पहले काफी सही चीजें आ रही हैं इसमें. I promise 100,000 तक जाना है. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.